Hello everyone. Today we are going to explain the fifth problem of AtCoder beginner contest C37, which is bad juice. So this is an interactive problems. So in interactive problem, you have to interact with the judge. So you have to receive some input from the judge, and according to the input, you will give some output to the judge, and the interaction will go on. And at the end, you have to determine the final output. So what is the problem? The problem is we have n bottles of juice from 1 to n, and in this n bottles of juice, a specific bottle of juice will be bad. Now you have to determine which bottle of the juice is bad, and for that you have to do some kind of operation. So what is the operation? For this operation you have to invite m number of friends, which is minimum necessary number, and to each of the friend you have to serve them a set of juice, and you can give any bottle to any friend, and each bottle of juice can be given to any number of friends, right? So what is the problem? So let's say we have m bottles from 1 to 5, and let's say among these 5 bottles the fourth bottle is bad, so x equals to 4 is bad. Now we have to determine the minimum number of m, such that after interacting with the judge we can determine that which bottle we have to determine the value of x. So what we have to do, we have to invite m friends, and to each friend, let's say from 1 to m, let's take m equals to 3. So we have to serve 1 is 1 sets, and 2 is 2, and 3 is 3. So what are s1, s2, s3? S1, s2, s3 are the sets containing of some bottle of juices. So let's take s1 as 1 comma 3. So we have served s1, the first friend, juices of first and third bottle. Similarly, let's take s2 as 2 3 4. Okay, s2 as 2 3 4, and similarly take s3 as 4 comma 5. Okay, now I hope you got it, that we have to invite n set of friends, and to each set of friends we have to give them a set of bottles. Okay, so after that the judge will give you some input. Let's say x equals to 4. That means that after taking the juice of fourth bottle, the second and the third friend will be ill. So the judge will give you some string, binary string, as the input. Let's say this will be something like 011 011. That means the second friend is ill and the third friend is ill after taking your juices. Okay, uh, so that means that in these two sets you can see that only the fourth juice is common, so our answer will be 4. Okay, so after giving these sets you can uniquely identify what is the value of x. So we have to find the minimum value of m, such that we can certainly identify the value of x. Okay, so that is the problem. So now let's go through some observations. So here we are giving some juices, some bottle of juices to friends. So let's take some reverse mapping. So here we are saying that we are giving the first friend, so this is friend and this is set of bottles. So instead of that, let's take bottles and set of friends. Okay, instead of that, take bottles and set of friends. So we are giving the first bottle to which friends? So we are only giving the first bottle to first friend. Then we are giving the second bottle to the second friend. We are giving the third bottle to the first friend and the second friend. So we are giving 1 and 2. So, and then we are giving the fourth bottle to the third friend and the second friend. So this will be 2 and 3. And similarly the fifth bottle will be given to the third friend only. So now this is the observation you have to make. The observation is that any SF, any two SF should not be equal. Why? So what we are saying that SF, let's call it SF, SF of I should not be is equals to SF of J. Why? Because let's say after performing this, we have found that some set of friend which is given in this binary string, that the second and third friend are ill. So if two sets, let's say if first SF of 1 is equals to SF of 2. Okay, so the set of friends are for the first bottle and the set of friends for the second bottle is same. That means we can't really identify which bottle is causing the issue. Now if the all the sets are distinct in each of them, then what we can say that if this set of friends are ill, then from the set we can identify that this is the bottle which is causing the issue. And now in this example, all the sets are distinct. That's why we can say that for the set 2 comma 3, the problem causing bottle is 4. So we can uniquely identify the answer. Now let's say we have added 3. We have given the second bottle to the third friend also. So we have given the second bottle to the third friend also. Now 2 3 is for two bottles, second and fourth. So we can't really say that which bottle is causing the issue. Okay, so I hope to get it. Now the problem becomes that we have to split n bottles to some unique sets. So we have to split n bottles to unique sets. Okay, now for this we can solve it in log n. Why? How we can solve this problem in log of n? Because we can consider the binary representation of any number. So let's consider binary representation of the first five numbers: 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, and 1 0 1. Okay, so what I am saying that we'll take the friends as bits. Okay, we will take friends as bits. So the first bit is set, means that we are giving this bottle to the first friend. So we are giving the first bottle to the first friend. Now the second bit is set, that means we are giving the second bottle to the second friend. Now two bits are set, first and second, so we are giving third bottle to first and second friend. And similarly we are giving the fourth bottle to the third friend, and similarly we are giving fifth bottle to one and third friend. So so we are saying that we can build log n number of sets, and log n number of sets in such a way that two sets are distinct. Okay, that's what we are saying. You can take some more examples to get that the log n will be the minimum value. Now another interesting case you have to observe is that let's say we have 8 bottles, right? Now we have 8 bottles. Now we are only taking doing log of n minus 1. We are doing log of n minus 1 now. Okay, why we are doing that? Because let's say we have taken some bottle, let's say n bottle, we have taken the n bottle and have not given this n bottle to anyone. Okay, so we have taken the 8th bottle and have not given this bottle to anyone. Now all the friends will not be ill, so no of the friends will be ill. Okay, why? Because let's take we have given the let's say that we have 5 bottles, right? So let's say we have not given the fifth bottle to anyone, and the fifth bottle is causing the problem. Okay, so fifth bottle is causing the problem and we have not given the fifth bottle to anyone, so no friends will be ill. That means that the fifth bottle is causing the problem. Okay, I hope you get it. Now let's jump into the code. So the idea of this problem is the idea of the problem is same, that we will take the friends as bits. We will be taking the friends as bits, but instead of taking log n, we will be taking log of n minus 1. That's why the c will be determine the number of friends, the number of bits in n minus 1. Okay, so we are printing c. Okay, and now we are iterating over all the bottles. Okay, we are iterating over all the bottles and we are checking that from 1 to n minus 1 obviously, and we are checking that if the ith bit, jth bit is set in I, that means we have to give the ith bottle to the jth friend. Okay, and we are printing printing this, right? We are printing the set of bottles. We are printing the set of bottles, right, for each friend. And according to that we are getting some input, that the set, the binary set of the friends who are ill. Okay, and after getting the value, that the set of the friends who are ill, and then identifying that will be pretty easy, right? So we are saying that first and the third friend are ill, then we can see directly say that the fifth bottle is causing problem, because the binary value of the first bit is 2 to the power 0 and the binary value of the third bit is 2 to the power 2. So we are saying that fifth bottle is ill. fifth bottle is causing the problem. Now, if we have get the first and second friend is ill, then we can say that the 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 1. That means that the third bottle is causing the problem. So we can easily identify from the given input stream from the judge that which bottle is causing the problem. Okay. So I hope you get it, that why we are doing this, why we are taking n minus 1, because let's take some case that for let's take n is something like 2 to the power I. Okay, so let's take n is 8. So if we have to take the binary representation of 8, it will be having 4 bits. Okay, it will be having 4 bits, so we have to invite 4 friends. But when we are taking n minus 1, that means we are having 7, so we can solve this problem by getting 3 friends only. So I hope you get it, that why we are doing n minus 1 instead of taking n. Now you might ask that how we are identifying that log n is the minimum value. So for that I I also don't have the correct proof that why log n is the exact answer. I have to check that if there is some possibility of the answer having less than log n. Because the problem exists, that means the log n should be the correct answer. You can search in some code forces discussion or AtCoder editorial also to identify why log n is our minimum answer. Okay, so for any such problems of interactive problems or any other problems, so for getting minimum possible value of something for constructive answers, log n should be one possible answer, or root n could be one answer that came to my mind first, that the answer could be either root n or log n. But after that I have get that we can solve the problem using log n by breaking it into log n number of sets. Okay, if you like the explanation and the video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I will also provide the link of the code in the description box. Thank you.